Hey guys, this is an unboxing and review of the Nextbase Dashcam. Now I always wanted a Dashcam, right? But I got a couple Dashcams from different companies in St. Lucia and I wasn't satisfied. Either they were poor in low light situations or they were just inferior altogether. So let me try this one and I'll tell you what I think about it. Let's check it out. Let's unbox that. Okay guys, so here we have the actual box. As you can see, it's Wi-Fi certified, Alexa built-in. Okay, made for the iPhone, the iPad, and designed for Android as well. So it is covered. All right, so let's get rid of that plastic. Let us look at the Nextbase Dashcam. So I would assume this is the actual camera. Let me just open this up. Interesting. I'm gonna put this right here. All right, and we have some more goodies in here. So let me lay out all the stuff. Let me just lay out everything. Here we have the 12 to 24 volt power cable. It's like 4 meters in length. So we have some good length here. So also we have the USB cable right here. Here we have the spare window mount if you want to mount the camera onto your window. And here we actually have the camera itself. The LCD screen here, it has a protective film on it, and the lens, very important, the lens, it has a protective film on it as well. So we're gonna take it off. Okay, so let's reveal that lens right there. Let me zoom in on that. Check it out. Just pull this off. Okay, so haha, we also have this little tool right here. This is the power cable fitting tool. Okay, so let's see what this baby can do. So that was the unboxing. So let me go and mount that up in the car and we'll go for a little drive. You check it.
Okay guys, wow, it's raining right now, but I placed my mount on my windscreen, okay, because that's where I prefer. You could put it on your dash if you want to, but I'm going to put that on my windscreen right there. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this. So this is the actual dash cam right here, and we have this area here is magnetic and it includes the connectors as well. Okay, this right here is the included cigarette lighter. All right, and we're gonna put this guy in right here. Boom. Here is the other end of your cigarette lighter, which is your USB connector, and we're going to connect this to your dash cam. And we are going to insert our USB connector into the dash cam. Notice that it comes on one time as soon as you connect, and wow, Nextbase. All right. Notice right here, as soon as you connect it, it begins to record. Yes, that's what it is. Sometimes this is a good feature because sometimes we may forget to record. As soon as your vehicle starts, it's connected to your power from your vehicle, it will start recording. Okay, now that everything is in place, all we need to do is snap our dash cam onto the mount here. As I said before, this area here is magnetic, so let's just snapped on because of that strong magnet, and just position to what we want right here. Okay, my wire hangs there a bit. I need to organize some cable management in my vehicle right here to accommodate my dash cam. Okay, so we are ready all now, so as we said, so let's go do some driving. Okay, so guys, this is me testing the audio that's been recorded from the interior of the vehicle to the camera. So it has a mic as well. Okay, so right now you just hearing the audio. Okay, so all my windows are up, so you may be hearing me clearly. And then let me put the windows down so you'll be able to hear, all right, the exterior sounds and so on. Okay, driving out. There's no traffic on the road. Okay, a car is passing. Yeah, man. Okay, you may get some wind. All right, so let me put the windows back up. All right. A lot of dash cams you don't get the sound recording function. All right, but this has it. It has a built-in mic, which is very good. Proper. Let's get back to the base.
Okay guys, so now we are using the Dashcam mobile app. Well, this is the iOS version, but there's also a version for Android. Okay, as you can see here, we have the video here on the timeline, all right, and the main video, and we have Google Maps right here, and we have a telemetry section which actually tells your speed right here. Okay, so on this section we have the info, where you have all information right here, the time recorded, the date and everything, the size of the file and whatnot. So you can access your videos from the camera to your phone, because the camera itself has its own Wi-Fi. So let's check out the desktop app. This is the desktop app for your Nextbase Dashcam. We can zoom in and out of the video. We can pan to whichever section that we want on the video. We have the play, the stop, and the next, and so on. Here deals with our speed. We have our current speed in the video right here. We have the maximum speed, the average speed of the journey, and we have the total distance covered. This map corresponds with what is on the video. So let's run this video. And we can see our arrow, okay, moving on the map right here. So it corresponds with whichever position that you are, all right, in the video. You can take a snapshot. Some of us just want a still shot of what it went on. And we have a video editor, which is very good. In the video editor, you can actually stitch your videos together. You can trim your video. You could put some annotations on there, and you can put a screen title. So you don't have to go to a third-party video editing software. Everything is right in here, which I find is very, very good. So after playing around with the Nextbase 422, I must say that I am satisfied with the products. In low light, in daylight hour, it's proper. I would recommend this product to anyone, especially those who have fleets of vehicles, like vehicle rentals and so on. Yeah man, I'm really satisfied. The Nextbase 422, proper. And you could get other versions of that, more advanced versions. You can pick it up at the retro game store. Call for more information.